All right, President Biden has called last year's Supreme Court decision expanding gun rights an insult to common sense and the Constitution, quote unquote. Well, it appears that that ruling could become a top defense for his son, Hunter. This all has to do with the Justice Department investigation into Hunter's purchase of a gun in 2018, when Hunter said he was using crack cocaine on a regular basis. Correspondent Joe Khalil is live in Washington with more on this. Hey, Joe.
Hey, Elizabeth. Yeah, it's a really ironic twist, right, in the Hunter Biden story. We know that he's being investigated right now for a number of different things, one of which is allegedly lying on a sheet that he was trying to apply for a gun. And if that is in fact true, now his attorneys are saying we can use this Supreme Court decision that came down last year, which, by the way, is one that President Biden saw as a huge loss. The administration saw as a major punch in the gut. Hunter's attorneys are now saying that can be our vehicle to sort of navigate these legal waters. That decision that came down basically gave Americans, really in a broad swath, less restrictions on carrying guns. That was one element of it. But Hunter's attorneys now think this is going to be the thing that can allow them to at least push back on that charge should an indictment come down.
And I mean, I saw a headline today, Joe, that said, it was a little bit in jest, but it actually said, could Hunter Biden become the poster child for the NRA and the Second Amendment?
Yeah, I mean, it's really ironic when you think about it, sort of strange bedfellows there, but it is a really important Second Amendment case. Look, this Supreme Court case goes back to one out of New York State. They had a law that basically said that if you want to carry, concealed carry, you would need to prove to New York why you need to do that. And the Supreme Court said, no, that violates someone's Second Amendment rights. If you have a constitutional right, you shouldn't have to have all of these restrictions get in the way of that. You shouldn't have to prove that you need it. Well, Hunter Biden's attorneys now are using that Second Amendment, sort of championing it and saying, well, wait a minute, reading that very broadly, this also applies to our client as well. There shouldn't be a number of restrictions that he had to go through, including signing that permit and having to disclose his drug history. And I should also mention, Elizabeth, there are a number of laws statewide now in different states that are being challenged as a result of this Second Amendment case that came down from the Supreme Court. So it is entirely possible that Hunter Biden's attorneys are also along that track. And it is very ironic, but here we are.
Yeah, here we are. Joe Khalil, thanks so much for that reporting tonight.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.